on the Nifty as well as his trading strategies. Jay, good day.
Hi, good afternoon to you, Nigel. Nigel, as far as Nifty is concerned, I would say that we have been continuously seeing that there is a good buying interest coming at the lower levels, and whatever selling or profit booking we are seeing that's coming from the higher levels is getting absorbed at the lower levels. So the momentum is absolutely in control of the bulls, and I think on the downside, 14,700 to 750 range on a closing basis is a good support for Nifty until those levels are held. I mean, on the upside, we can see Nifty, in fact, touching the 15,000 mark, and we would see, the celebration on NSE as well. So 15,000 would be the target. I think, tomorrow being the RBI monetary policy, there can be some volatility, but then overall the trend is positive. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, we have the highest open interest, Nigel, at the 35,000 call strike. And once we get a close about those levels, we would be seeing them further momentum out there as well. I think about 35,000. The next level would be 36,500. I have two buy recommendations, Nigel, since my view is bullish in the short term. The first buy recommendation is from the banking sector. Kotak Mahindra Bank, which you just mentioned, has provided a breakout and it's been forming high tops, high bottom now on the daily charts as well. One can buy Kotak Bank targeting around 2000, placing a stop loss at 1830. And the second buy recommendation is again from the financial space, and that is on Bajaj Finance. This stock has clearly broken out from a sideways consolidating channel, again started to form high tops, high bottom. The momentum has bottomed out for the short to medium term. I think Bajaj Finance is likely to inch towards 5650 to 5800 in the short term. One can buy this, placing a stop loss at 5250.
Okay, Jay, your disclosures?
Sure. Now, those stocks which I have recommended, Ekta, I do not have either of these stocks in my personal portfolio.
All right, Jay, we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and talking to us. Well, some more incremental information coming out for Godrej Properties from their